Okay, so you'll want to have a domain name purchased already. So anyways, you'll get to your like dashboard panel, go to your domain list. You'll want to go into manage next to your domain and get into the where you can edit the DNS settings. So that's pretty much where I'm at right now. So then I'm going to go back over to Proton Mail. This is the plan that I have here, the business plan. It's really not too much when you consider that what you get with it. 15 email addresses per user, custom email domains. Those are the only things I'm showing you right now. So that's all I'm going to say because I'll just keep talking otherwise. Alrighty, so then basically I got that already, so I'm going to just log into it and show you where the settings are to get this all going. So you go over here to all settings, over here, domain names. And then if you're adding a new one, you obviously just go through these steps. You add it and then hit next, and then you have to input that as a TXT record in your DNS settings of your domain, which I'm sure that you are somewhat familiar with. You go to advanced DNS or manage DNS settings. So you go down here, add new record, and then you'll add what it says here, which is TXT, hostname, that, and then you can just copy and paste that part. So we'll go TXT, I would type in then the values here, hit check mark, and then I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it right now. But then over here, you hit next, and it'll automatically verify it. And when that's done being verified, then you will put whatever addresses you want to associate with this domain. So like you can make up to 15. So these are all the ones that I have active right now. You can make whatever you want. Say you're using Shopify. You want to go to your dashboard, and then you go to settings, and then you go to this is like my first video tutorial thingy, so bear with me because I'm not good at talking. I'm not good at doing this shit. I'm a little bit weird, so I can't help it. Domains. You go to domains, and then you go to, so I'm just going to go to the one that's active because maybe it's like you can only do it for the one that's active. Anyway, so down here, email forwarding. Boom, it's in the domain section. So you hit create a forward email and connect it to an existing inbox to access incoming emails. Learn more about email forwarding. This was confusing to me at first. I did not get this. And so then third-party email hosting, I was like, I looked into this stuff and it's just expensive and confusing as well. So it's like, no. So I'm just going to add forwarding email. Okay. And then you literally just type in whatever you have made up in your Proton account. There's still one more step that you got to do as part of this Proton thing. When you're going through all these things, the MX, the SPF, the DKM, and the DMR ARC, you have to do within Shopify. So the first one, you only do the domain verification, you do within your domain registrar where you registered your domain at, and then all the rest of them get done wherever you're going to your actual website with where that domain is used. So to do that, you go domain settings, edit DNS settings, and then all the stuff's right here. So it's the same as it is on your Namecheap or wherever you're registered. So I know this probably just confused you more, but maybe it makes more sense now. It's kind of like an admin email forwarding thing, to where like you'll get your customers' emails in your personal inbox, but it's not a personal one, it's a business account. So like that's probably where I had the hard time explaining what I was talking about. But now maybe you kind of get like my problem and like why I can't explain myself, or at least you can see that I just get a little confused when I start talking. Anyways, yeah, that's it. I hope this helped and I didn't just confuse you more and make the problem worse. So I may or may not upload this, but anyways, yeah, bye bye.